The reason why every single business owner is broke is because they're using AI to make money instead of letting AI actually print for them. And that second motion requires the human to be removed from the loop. Meaning, you, the human, don't tell AI what to do. You let AI do what it has to do, access all the infinite knowledge that it has access to, access infinite amount of tools that you may not even have the skills to leverage, and actually go print money for you. So I want to walk you through how to actually let AI cook.
Cool, let's do it.
Let's do it. So, hey, help me find everything that I need to sell leads and appointments to realtors and leverage AI to actually fulfill. And the way that this will work is it's going to ask you a few questions before it actually does the deep dive. Okay, it is going to ask you, hey, let's actually just wait and see what it is going to ask. We literally called it Try Cook AI because the future of business is not going to be that you have to work hard, you have to show up, you have to like do all this work. It's literally going to be cooking. It's going to be a fun process. Before I walk you through how this whole thing works, you have to understand two things. There's two variables to making money. There is knowledge, like if you don't know where the opportunities lie, then you'll never access them no matter how hard you work. You may be the most disciplined person, you may be the most hardworking person, but if you pursue the wrong opportunities, you're cooked, right? That's phase one, or variable number one. Variable number two is execution. A lot of people know the opportunities, but don't have the discipline, don't have the skills, and don't have the relentlessness required to keep going at it until it works. AI is capable of finding you the insights, the truth that you need to win in any opportunity, actually find you all the opportunities that exist, and execute for you relentlessly until it actually completes the mission. So we started first by solving the execution part, which is we started building a lot of agents that build assets for you. But the most important kind of like architecture that we figured out is the ability to find the truth. What does the truth mean? The truth is, let me show you an example. Let's say I want to go into real estate, right? I know that realtors need leads, they need appointments, but I don't know anything about real estate. Well, we built this agent, which we call the Truth Engine. And the way that it works is really simple. You go to this agent and you say,
okay, cool. While it's loading this up, one of the biggest obstacles for people is the fact that people often don't actually have business problems so much as they have personal problems, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we talk about focus, discipline, clarity, all of these things being something that traditionally business offers couldn't solve. Like you couldn't get someone, you can take a camel to water, but you can't make it drink. So you're saying that with this tool, you're even able to remove with AI the human bottleneck.
Completely. Because I literally wrote a letter this morning where I said, for billions of years, humans have been trained to optimize for survival, right? And when you optimize for survival, you have to optimize energy, you have to avoid risk, and you have to literally avoid being rejected by your community. Because if you get rejected by the community, you're vulnerable. You literally would die. If you extend and expend too much energy and you didn't have food, you literally would starve to death, right? And you wouldn't just take any risk by being dumb. So a lot of humans literally they have an algorithm within us that says, yo, stay away from risk, stay away from something that's new if it's not guaranteed. But also on the other side, humans want everything. They want more. I want more money. I want to look better. I want more for myself constantly, right? So humans had this infinite amount of desire to achieve greatness, but they are unfortunately built to not really chase greatness. You're just built to survive, right? So there's this desire for more, and then this algorithm that's built within us to keep us just average as fuck, right? Well, for us, it's, hey, you're the human, you're just too flawed for us to even try to. That's why if you give someone an offer, if you give someone leads, they're still going to fail. Because the problem is them. It has never been the opportunity, has never been the market, has never been anything other than you are the problem.